Hopefully the key will fit in the lock. It seems to be a perfect fit. Yay! Huh? What was that? The door magically closed! Oh no. That's my grandfather's body! Well, you see you found him. Yes, I finally killed him. It was pretty easy. Ha 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 ha! I found the key! Dun-dun-dun-dun. I've got the key! Again. What the bloody beep was that? 2 years later, I found my father's body mangled at the site, and oh my god! Dun, 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 dun. A key. I finally found it. I'm sorry, father. Maybe I can get into... How could you? Well, it was pretty easy. You said that twice, I know. You're gonna die. You think you're going to kill me that easily? No, little girl. Stay here while I go get my weapons ready. Oh no. Better hide the key. Okay. What weapon should I choose? Come with me now, woman. As you see up here, this one was my favorite. The rat, my second favorite. Oh, that's not my favorite. That's my second favorite. One of my other favorites is the brain sucker. It suffocates you to the point of no air into you. That's right. Get up there, woman. Do I have to? I'll push you in. My chance to kill him. Push out. Gotta get away. Ah, I gotta run. Oh, I hate you guys. Ah! Oh, crap. The door's locked. Ah, I got you now. You're dead now. Da 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 da. Dun 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 dun.